Today I Santbaksh, I'll teach you some basic concepts of probability, and I'll assure you that what I teach you today, it will be very beneficial for your upcoming board exams. So let's start. So before starting probability, we should know what is probability. So what is probability? It is a measure of likelihood of occurrence of event. It means that what are the chances of happening of any event is known as probability. Let us take some example. Every day news channels predict that this much chances are there for coming of rain. So what is that? That is the prediction. That is probability. It means that what are the chances of coming of rain, or what are the chances of happening of any event. That is probability. So we understand what is probability. So next key term is experiment. So what is experiment? Generally, if we talk about experiment, it is the process which generates some result. It is a process which generates some result, that is known as experiment. What the process it may be, it is generating some result, that is known as experiment. And that result is also known as outcome. That result is also known as outcome. Let us take an example. One coin is tossed, and what are the outcomes? What are the result of that? The results are, it may be head or it may be tails. So head or tails are the results, or we can say that head or tails are the outcome of that experiment or of that process. Understand? So what is event? If we talk about another key term which is used in probability, it is event. So what is event? The process which is happening. The process which is happening is known as event. For example, I am teaching you at present. So what is that? That is an event is happening. Event is going on. That is the process which is happening is known as event. That I am teaching you, the event is going on, the process is going on, so that is an event. So last but not the least, some important term is sample space. It is a very important term which we use in probability. The total probability is dependent upon sample space, because probability is a theoretical approach. So what is sample space? Sample space is, it is the favorable outcomes. It is the favorable outcomes. It is known as sample space. So what are the outcomes? That is the sample space. Let us take one or two examples. We can understand with the help of example. So if one coin is tossed, what are the sample space of that? It may be head or it may be tails. So we have two sample space, one is head and one is tail. Okay. So let us take another example. If we talk about two coins are tossed simultaneously. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, what are the sample space of that? So the sample space is as follows. On one coin it may be head, and also on another coin it also may be head. And another sample space it may be, on one coin it may be head, and on another side it may be tails. Another, on first coin it may be tails, and on second coin it may also be tails. But another last sample space when two coins are tossed simultaneously is that on first coin it may be tails, and on another coin it may be head. So we have only 4 sample space when two coins are tossed simultaneously. We don't have any other sample space of that. Okay, I hope you understand this much concept. Now let's move further. So next we have the range of probability. If we talk about range of probability, what is the range of probability? We know that the range of probability is between 0 to 1. It means that the probability can neither be less than 0 nor greater than 1. It means that probability of a particular event lies between 0 to 1. What is 0? It is an impossible event. It is an impossible event. So what is 1? It is sure event. If we talk about 0, that the event, there is 100% chances that event doesn't occur. That is impossible event. Or we can say that it is a 0% chance to event to occur. And what is 1? There is 100% chance that event will occur and generate some result, that is known as sure event. Okay? So let's move further. What is the formula of probability? If we talk about formula of probability, probability of a particular event is number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. That what we have asked in the question is that number of favorable outcomes and total outcomes are total number of outcomes. Let us understand with the help of another example. Let us take one example. We have 3 red balls, 5 blue balls and 7 green balls. And we have asked, find the probability that the ball is picked at random is red ball. Probability of having a red ball. So for that we have number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is equals to 3. That we have number of red balls is equals to 3, and we have total balls is equals to 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 15. So what is the probability of having red ball? The probability of having red ball is number of favorable outcome is 3 and total is 15. That is 1 by 5. That is 0.2. Okay. I hope you understand this concept. So thank you very much.